This is the unboxing of the Sony wireless Bluetooth headphones, which are on-ear in the color black. As we can see on the back, the maximum playback time is more than 30 hours, and you can charge for 10 minutes to have a playtime of 90 minutes. And it also features hands-free calling with HD voice and has voice assistant functions compatible with Google and Siri. It also has a USB-C type connection and includes a USB-A to USB-C cable. And the model number is WH-CH510. I got this for £34 at the John Lewis website. Let's unbox it. The box is quite a small one. It's paper box, and you open it over here, and when you open the box you will see a description how to activate the headset. You first have to turn on with the button in the middle and hold it for 7 seconds until the blue light is flashing. Then you have to turn on the Bluetooth settings of your phone, and you should be able to see the headphone in the list of Bluetooth devices. Once you made a connection, you should be able to hear sound from the headphone. Let's unpack. Inside is in a cardboard box, a brown cardboard box, which looks like this. Inside you'll find the headphone inside some kind of foam which helps it stay protected from bumps and scratches, and you'll find a USB-A to USB-C cable and some user guide. This is how the headphones look. They are over ear, so they are quite small, and basically it's a matte black color except of the inside here, which is a shiny black. And this is the right side and this is the left side, and you can twist the earphones flat or the normal way, and they also swivel like this. And it's basically a very lightweight material. It's all, this is the USB-C port, the light, and the volume up and volume down, and on and off button. And also, so to connect to Bluetooth you just press for longer than 7 seconds, and then it should be flashing, as you can see. That means that you can connect it to your phone. Just go to the Bluetooth connections, tap on Bluetooth, and there should be the available device there. Here's in the list. Just tap on that, and it should start pairing. And once it pairs, you click on OK, and now it's connected. Oh, it's connected. So this is how it looks like when you wear the headphones, and the clamping force is quite stiff, so I don't know how it will feel like when you wear the headphones for more than an hour, but for the price this is what you get. And it's also the lowest price Bluetooth headphones that I've seen in the online store. And the Bluetooth connectivity is quite straightforward and very quick, and the sound is acceptable at the moment. And the advantage is that no wires, so you can freely connect to your device without using any cable. So they are very lightweight. I think they are below 200 grams.